What's up, guys? Welcome to NMD TV Canes all day. If you're rocking with you, then you know what to do. Hit that like, subscribe button so you never miss out on a video. And big shout out to the Kane Gang members, the members of our YouTube channel. I appreciate you guys going above and beyond to help support the channel. This is Sights and Sounds of Spring Practice #1. I will be putting and giving credit to every content creator who uploaded these clips. I am not at spring practice. I just find the clips and upload them, and I give credit to those content creators. I appreciate you guys so much. Make sure you go and check them out. Follow them on Twitter or whatever their handle is. Now enjoy the compilation.
Sorry.
Should be here. Break, cut him. I want to run through the piece of leg and come back through. So I'm going to throw it by and I'm going to finish it off. Use the bubbles. Cool. Hey. Come on. Come on. Hey. Here we go. Hit. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's me. That's me. Good job. Good job. 1, 2, there, go. Good job. Hey. Look, now, I want you to push it. I want you to push it. I want you to finish it. Boom, throw it back and finish it. Here we go. Hit. 1, 2, boom. Hey, good job. Good job. Way to make it look good. Hit. 1, 2, 3, boom. Ah, you see that? Push it. Throw it back. So I got to control that. I got to knock the ball out of my own hand. Everybody got it. Hey, it's getting negative. She gets the ball in front of that line. Hit. Hey, run through it. Good job with time. Good job with time. Good job with time. Hey, get the ball back. Good job with time. Here we go. Hey, see what you're doing. Oh, that's me. Good job. Good job.